Hello friends, my name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand a replace text function. Before we are going to understand replace text function, there is one tool. The short key of that is Control H, and we need to look at to that tool also in order to have a better understanding of this function. So I'm going to press Control H. Okay, Control H, and this is the replace tool. Here let's say I want to replace resides with lives. So rather than resides in, it should come lives in Noida and lives in Chandigarh and so on. So find word, you need to give a text which you want to replace, which is resides, and replace with the text you want to replace with, which is lives. One by one, if you want to do, you need to click here, but if you want to replace all the text in one go, you need to click replace all, and here you may see 17 replacement has happened, and in place of resides now live is there. Okay, and close it. Control Z I am doing in order to undo this. If you want to replace only this particular cell text, not this one, then you need to do the selection first, then apply Control H, find what replace, so resides, replace with lives, and replace all. Only the selected text will be replaced. However, now let's focus on the function that we are going to apply, and that's a replace function. So with the help of replace function, now we are going to do the same task. In place of resides, I want lives. So I have applied replace old text. In my institute, when I asked what should be as a old text, most of the students say resides. So even if you are thinking that resides, you are not wrong, but in this case you are. The old text is going to be this cell which is containing this text. Now starting number, in this old text means in this A2 cell, what is the starting number or the starting position where the text you want to replace. Starting number means again R is 1, A is 2, M is 3. Likewise, what is the position of resides R? So we are not going to count it by ourselves, we know what is the solution, and if you are thinking find, that is absolutely right. So we are going to apply find text reside. We have done it in the second video, probably second or third video. Within text is this one, and this will give me the starting number, means this find function will give me the starting number. From the starting number, how many number of characters I want to replace, that's this parameter is number of character. So from R resides, I want to replace RESIDES 7 characters, so I have given 7, comma, new text. As a new text, I want lives. So in a quotation, because I am typing it by myself, I'm going to give lives. Bracket close, enter, and we will have the answer. So this is how you need to apply a replace function. And if you are done with this, then again one task, and the task is that you need to replace the pin code with 110011. So in place of all this pin code, I want this pin code only, which is 110011. Also, another task is that replace city with India. Here you may find city like Noida, Chandigarh, Rampur. In place of city, I want India. In this case, pin code going to be same as it is, these are. And the first task is you need to replace all the pin codes. So best of luck for that. Go ahead and do this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.